That's strange. She must have been really busy with something important. Maybe she had a lot of work today. That's possible. Of she may have left her phone at the home and they did really see in until later. You know how she's always in a hurry? Okay, speaking of weird situation, Anna, did you notice that your favorite restaurant was closed yesterday? I wonder why. I didn't think of that. They could have had a health inspections issue or something like that. But it seems unlikely they have always been so clean. Yeah, that's probably it. I hope they open soon. I am craving their food. We'll talk later. Bye, Anna.